whistling past the edge of the world's old harmony. Steel and glass humming, clean a promise on the side, leaving Vienna in a carbon neutral glide. Oh, a rail jet rolling through the emerald gray, between the sky and the grass, we're the heart of the train. From the Danube flow to the Alpine high, watch the Austrian miles just fly on by. Watch the Austrian miles just fly on by. Gray road winding like a ribbon through the forest deep, where the rolling green hills and the cloud shadows meet. Winding through the foothills where the pines stand tall, listening to the mountains' distant silent call. Silent call. Oh, a rail jet rolling through the emerald gray, between the sky and the grass, we're the heart of the train. From the Danube flow to the Alpine high, watch the Austrian miles just fly on by. Watch the Austrian miles just fly on by. Resting on the tray table, a roll and a paper wrap, Leberkäse warmth in a traveler's lap. Simple comfort found in the middle of the run. Naturlich water catching the fleeting sun.